have to worry about bringing it down to 30 here.
Okay.
The bumps are so flat, it doesn't really do anything.
Like
I don't even know why they bothered.
Yeah, I know. The potholes are worse.
Yeah. We're going to turn left at the lights. Was there anything in particular that you want to go through again, or
Maybe
as a review?
just go through like parking and stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Again, and mostly just like the route going on.
Okay. All right. Traffic looks pretty good on LaSalle so far. Turn right at the lights here. We'll see what the road test the parking lot looks like. Did you, yeah?
Yeah, just to like, I wanted to just practice, just to make sure I knew what I was expecting.
Mm-hmm.
The guy, like, I was driving this way and the guy just like went out super fast. I had to press my brake and I was like, oh my god.
Let's go ahead and reverse park it.
Right here?
Sure.
Okay.
Sounds good.